Guys, our today's video is about punctuation marks. So here are some of the punctuation marks. For example, bracket, inverted commas, semicolon, exclamatory mark, question mark, full stop, etc. So first of all, what is a punctuation mark? It is a system of symbols that we use to separate sentence and part of sentence and to make their meaning clear. Each symbol is called a punctuation mark. So why they are essential? They are essential when we write it. They show the reader where sentence start and finish. And if they are used properly, they make your writing easy to understand. This section gives practical guidance on how to use commas, semicolon and other type of punctuation correctly so that your writing will always be clear and effective. When speaking aloud, you punctuate constantly. With body language, your listener hears commas, dashes, question mark, exclamation point, quotation mark as you shout, whisper, pause, wave your arm, roll your eye, wrinkle your brow. In writing, punctuation play the role of body language. It helps the reader hear you the way you want to be heard. It is written by Russell Baker. And what is the punctuation's job? It tells the reader what to do. It makes the reader's voice sound a certain way. It makes our writing make sense. It helps the writer to show emotion. It helps to clarify mental images. It can help us to build tension. So these are the names of the punctuation marks. So first of all is full stop. Its second name is period. I am a period. I look just like a dot. Every time you see me, you must stop. It is used to make or mark the end of a sentence. End mark, finish sentence well. We always use a period with sentence that tell. End mark, always are very last. We always use a question mark with sentence that ask. Use of full stop at end of sentence. For example, the man arrived, he sat down. Second is use full stop with abbreviation. For example, company, etc., member of parliament. Third is do not use full stop with contractions. For example, LTD means limited, DR means doctor, ST means saint. The rule about abbreviation and contraction is not followed by everyone. Sometimes it is a question of style. The important thing is to be consistent. There is dear mom and dad, I really want a new phone. I promise I'll be responsible. I won't drop it or break it. Now that I am big, I think I am old enough for a new phone. I love you, Ammi. Now let's talk about comma. Let's eat grandma. Here the sentence means चलो हम दादी माँ को खाते हैं. And at the bottom the sentence is let's eat grandma means चलो दादी माँ हम खाते हैं. क्या खाते हैं? खाना. Punctuation is important here. Otherwise, the sentence meaning will be different. Do not confuse a semicolon with a colon. Semicolon is just a glorified period. I am tired. I want to sleep. I am tired, semicolon. I want to sleep. A semicolon can also be a super comma. I want to go to Waco, Texas, Chico, California and Denver, Colorado. Semicolons are used to unite two sentences without using a conjunction. Johan went to a store because he wanted to buy bread. Semicolon. Susan stayed at home. She wasn't beautiful. Semicolon. She had a certain style that made people watch her. Now is how. How do I use semicolon? If you have two independent clauses, meaning they could stand alone as their own sentences, it's okay to use a semicolon. For example, my aunt also had a hairy cuncles. She loved to wash and comb them. Here my aunt had also hairy cuncles. This is an independent clause and she loved to wash or comb them. This is also an independent clause. Now we sometimes use a semicolon instead of full stop. This is used to separate sentences that are grammatically independent, but they have closely connected meaning. For example, Joseph like coffee, semicolon, Mary likes tea. Here are more of the examples you may see here. Second is use a semicolon as a kind of super comma when we have a list of items. We usually separate the items with commas. If the list is complicated, we may prefer to use semicolon in some cases. For example, ABC Investment has offices in 5 locations: Kensington, London, Brighton and Hove, and Oxford, Cambridge and Manchester. Now is use of hyphen with certain prefixes. The prefixes all, for example, X and self, usually need a hyphen. All inclusive. Ex-wife, self-control. When a prefix comes before a capitalized word, use a hyphen. Non-English, when a prefix is capitalized, use a hyphen. A frame. Use a hyphen when writing numbers 21 to 99 and fractions. 21, 160 hyphen 5, 2 hyphen 3rd. Nice apostrophes. Apostrophe show possession for a singular noun. Put S after the single noun even if the noun ends in S. This is James' bicycle. Put the book in Emma's room. And more over the examples. Now is apostrophe. Standard electronic phonetic and example. Didn't, did not, didn't, he didn't answer. Here are the more of the examples. Nice question mark. The main function of a question mark is to indicate a question or a query. Use a question mark at the end of all direct question. What is your name? How much money did you transfer? Did you send euro or dollars? Use a question mark after a tag question. You are French, aren't you? Snow isn't green, is it? Nice. Don't forget to use a question mark at the end of the sentence. That really is a direct question. How else would I get there? After all, what if I said to you, I don't love you anymore? Who knows when I'll die? He asked rhetorically. Now is question mark double or single? We use quotation mark to show the beginning and end of a word or a phrase that is somehow special or comes from outside the text we are writing. Quotation mark can be double or single. That is really a mark of style. Question mark or quotation marks are also called quotes or inverted commas. Use quotation marks around the title or a name of a book, film, ship, etc. The second most popular book of all time, quotation from the works of Mao Tse-tung, has sold over this much copies and was formerly known as the Red Book. Titanic is a 1997 movie directed by James Cameron about the sinking of the ship Titanic. Nice double or single quotation mark. These can be double or single. If we want to use quotation mark inside quotation mark, then we use single inside double or double inside single. He said to her, colon, quotation mark starts, I thought, single quotation mark, was a good film, double quotation mark. Punctuation inside or outside final quotation mark. If the quoted words end with a full stop, then the full stop goes inside the quotation mark. If the quoted words do not end with full stop, then the full stop goes outside the quotation mark. He said, colon, inverted comma start, I love you, inverted comma stop. She has read, inverted comma start, war and peace, inverted comma stop. Nice. Thank you. Please subscribe it, share it, like it, and if you have any of the complaint about us, please comment it. And how do you like the video? That also mention in the comment box. Thank you.